Previously on My Unpopular Opinions Zim Edition.
We're doing Unpopular Opinions Zim Edition featuring a mukbang.
Which you people think, yeah, it's cool. We vibe, most of you, but we're like, nah.
Majority of Zim girls don't know how to dress or bath well.
Okay. Probably gonna murder for this one. But my unpopular opinion. Zim dancer. Go argue with your sister. I don't like Zim.
With your ancestor.
Exactly. Zim dancer is overrated. I mean, it was good when it started, but now it just turned into rubbish.
Ropa fire babies. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing My Unpopular Opinions Zim Edition Part 2, and I definitely hope that you do enjoy this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and to subscribe. Otherwise, guys, enjoy.
Zimbabwean men and women have toxic gossip behavior. Go anywhere in the world, whether it's a university, whether it's at a company, look at the people who do the most, who make the most noise, people who have the most gossip. Zimbabweans at the top of the list. Guys, and it's not even just women, it's even men. Change your ways. Muna you even know, guys. You even know that there is a woman who generates gossip. Who knows business about each and every person. Change your lifestyle. I'd like to believe that most people who make gossip. Like literally, if you've got things to do in your life, details about each and everyone's life. Change your life. Change your life. We are fixing the country.
Vanodaita system yekuti especially maZimbabweans vabva kuCanada, vabva kuAmerica, vabva kuBritain, vabva South Africa, vanoda kunamatwa. Tretai system iyo. Tretai azinei vamweni kugeza zvidhuna. Guys,
I'm left with one. Just see now, like Vanessa.
Diaspora. Places like Canada, places like Britain, places like America.
They even come with a changed accent, eh?
Exactly.
Sometimes it's even 2 years.
It's 2
years.
years. Or 6 months.
In the 2 years that you were in Canada, you came back with an accent. Well, please behave yourself. What accent? And you're here trying to shine. As if accent is something that is really... Imagine.
Guys.
It's going down.
It's going down.
For me, it's how Zimbabweans can't dance. I'm sorry, can't bet me. Fight with your ancestors, your aunts, your mother. I don't care. I said what I said. Zimbabweans, we can't dance. I mean, I saw this and
Hallelujah.
when I came here, I thought I could dance. I mean, also, I Jaira Dambam church. You thought you were there, you were the dance master in church. And you think that when you're out there in the world, it's the same.
It's the same.
It's
not the same.
It's not. And then I saw that, it's not just me. Most Zimbabweans, they can't dance. They just shake their bums and they think they're dancing.
Mm-hmm.
Sad.
Nokutamba mseve. Andikutamba. Oh shit.
We need to have, I don't know, maybe my dance classes. But also I was going to suggest maybe we start watching my YouTube videos, but I figured data food so it's hard. So I do understand you guys. I understand where you're coming from. This for some of us who have been blessed enough. Data is quite cheap, yeah. It's like how we can
Wi-Fi no cheap, but my kids are in Canada and it's a fault. Mazimba. Tinoda eduyedza. Kumira asikuimba. Kumbati naunyatsowanda tinoti.
And then the other one. How Zimbabweans place too much importance on weddings or getting married. So much so it looks like an achievement. A wedding is not an achievement. It's an achievement. But we are fixing the country right now. A wedding, muchacho.
It's not an achievement. Because zvatiri kuona mudzimba umu zviri kuitwa nevanhu varucho vari mudzimba imomo. When you think it's an achievement, it's really sad. So kanya yekuti vanhu vanomhanya vachifunga kuti
23, 24, you're being asked when are you getting married?
Last year.
Let me get the money first, fix our paying, you know?
Exactly.
Last
year people were on a roll, it's like when coronavirus second yakunzi zvoni nyika yakuguma. Every day.
Okay, and you know what? What's even worse, Vanessa? You're not even pressurizing yourself. Because you're not yet married. And yet there's a lot of things that you need to fix in your life. In the marriage, and you need to be able to take care of your family. How will you take care of a family when you don't have money? Fix yourself. Get yourself elevated and whether you're a woman or whether you're a guy. Create employment. Create employment, do whatever you can. Amen. But make the money first. Also, funga shekuta. Zirarakwewo. Utofunga zvekutata. Utofunga zvekuchata zvekuti pane achacha. Hey, bring the cows home. You don't even have a driver's license. You don't even have a diploma. Degree. Diploma you can't plait hair, you can't do makeup. What do you do with your life? The cows must come home. We need to do better as Zimbabweans. Stop putting pressure on us and stop putting pressure on yourselves. And marriage is not an achievement. Hallelujah. And I said what I said. Come for me. Come for me. I am ready. I said it. Whether you get married at 30. If you do a lobola, traditional wedding here, it's fine. I see most of us are putting pressure on the white wedding. It's not even part of our tradition after all. It came with the boat. It came on the boat. The English came with it on the boat. And they taught us about this white wedding. Do your traditional wedding. Make it fancy.
No, it's a fancy your traditional wedding.
Exactly. You save money, you save my bills. Because most of you anyway, after you're done married with the wedding, muso honeymoon makutanga ufunga stress yekuti zvone how are we going to pay the photographer the video
honeymoon wacho kunondwa here mari inenge perera pakufadza vanhu tafadza vanhu
angandisi kuti atokusvika ndakukwanisa kuafoda kevin the wedding plan so future husband did you things in order
ndikuti mari akandikomborera of course anondikomborera look at me mjado wangu unenge une vanhu 150 andisika 150 chete saka besides kana usiri ropa omupfeko mama
haleluya kuita muromba ndiya zvakaoma chinhu chakaoma asikana
treasure by the way ikano mafunga kutuka atuka newewo back to say munhu anonzi wikidi anongonyatso
who's wikidi
like hai chayo iri papi
I don't get it
ndezvipi zvipa
zvimwe zvimwe guys hatidi kuitira chitanharo dzisina basa. Can you please stop making noise on our social media platforms, whether it's on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram, about who's better, Japreza and Wikidi? Don't compare Japreza to useless things. Honestly, guys, I like Winky's D's music, but you can't compare the two.
You can't. It's like really bad.
It's an abomination.
Munhu wekuti anokumisa igorerese. Release album kawan. Release album kawan. Release album kawan.
Guys, Shapira.
Sorry, hen. Mkatukawo nemiyo back to center. I'm so sorry, but andinyatsoona udzamu hwacho Wikidi. Anyway, dance, oh man. Dololo.
What did she?
Dance or dololo.
Alright.
Kuna zviripo, pana zvemusic yadhakwa yese yese.
And then, Pananya on my heart, I feel the Lord is pressing it upon my heart to talk to us as Zimbabweans. You overprice things. You'll see a person who's coming from South Africa, they've bought clay here for 25 rands. Maybe it's the latest edition of clay. They get to Zimbabwe. Oh, guys, isn't she lovely?
Oh, no.
Thank you. She gets to Zimbabwe. She sells it for $5. Not even 5. Simongo had 7. Twice. I literally loved this other day. I think it's one of those Facebook groups. Facebook groups. This lady, she puts I think it was some Vaseline, some type of Vaseline, or was it Nivea? I've forgotten what it was. And then she says, guys, what does this really do? Because someone is selling it for $7. She can't we buy this for 35 rands.
Yeah.
Like, if you're at least going to just make it, even $4, guys, $US has power even over rands and it. Make it $4, $7. Cannot $3 because 35 rands is like what? Almost $1 something. Make it $3. Now you're making it twice as expensive. We all know we are trying to survive here. We all know you're trying to be entrepreneurs and you're trying to make it big, but twice the money.
It's not fair. It is not fair.
And then
one. And then chimwe chachiri kuchana chida kunyatsogadzirisa kuti maZimbabweans vanofanira kusiya nyaya yekuassociate certain things with the devil. Because you need to be taught about mental health issues. Ukanzwa mental health azviro kuti munhu akutodzungaira ane schizophrenia or whatever that or munhu akutoita gomans. Mental health issues need depression, anxiety, panic attacks and stuff. And I feel like
everything is blamed on the devil. I feel like sometimes the devil is just like, Lord, but it's not even me. Like, why are these people blaming me? You know? And we continue to blame him. Like, no, it's the devil. It's the devil. It's the ant. Blame it on witchcraft. You blame it on everyone else. But like sometimes it's really an issue of mental health. Sometimes it's even you guys, the people who are living with the person.
Depression. I think inyaya yoyo ngai inofana upere associate everything with it.
Yeah.
Hanzi munaura I'm justify wachinzi demon. What?
A person KFC. A person makes their own decision to open their legs. You blame the devil. The devil is just here and he's shocked. He's like, I was not even a part of this. What are you talking about? I was busy with the demons in hell trying to organize something else, and then you're blaming the devil. No, we must stop. Sometimes it's just greed. Sometimes it's just you wanting things in life.
So that you get away with things, stuff that you're not supposed to.
Imagine.
Change, man. Change. Especially men and women. Both they are. Because it's really come as one. Sorry. One, your best one. This is the last one. Lastest one. Guys, ngatisiye kahunhu kekuti munhu akazvimwira akazvismokera nekuzviitira mapati moti haana kuraiswa zviri right nehunhu huri right.
Fanenge ini tingatonetsana gaiska. Ini kagaiska kundumuona kwani maino. Mwana wamfundisi soka. Ndakarerwa zvakanaka kana pane vanhu vakarera mwana. Vabereki vangu gaisi vakarera. Zvandinga kuzoitawo ndezvemusoro wangu ndiri one, and I will say this again, it is not my parents. Leave them out of this. They have taught us well. They have, but I think with age there comes a point when you just want to be your own person, when you want to try out new things.
Exactly.
So they were raised well. Let's stop it. Because sometimes also it's going to be your child, and we will tell you that you did not raise your child well.
It's no good. Imi munotaura kutanza havana kukudzwa zvakanaka.
Imi kama muriko kudzimba dzedu tisingarairwe. Imi manga muripo.
Dzinoti dzikabuda pamherengenyi kudai. Akomana ere tinoshopa. Naimwachonyerenyu. Usazidaro vanhu. Usazidaro. Yapedza.